this is Stephanie from Shebelkin Designs, and I'm going to show you how to join two pieces of yarn. Take your first yarn, put it over your second, and take your second yarn, place it over. Now create a loop. You are going to knot it to the first one. So you're going to create that loop, loop the tail through, and give it a pull to knot it. Now scoot it down to give yourself a longer tail. You're going to take that first yarn, put it over the second, put it under so it grabs it through the loop, like so. Now tuck that tail through the loop and create a second knot and pull it tight. So now you have two knots, 1, 2. You're going to grab your yarn, both ends, and give it a tug. Give it a good tug so it's nice and tight. And that way you can see that the tension is holding it. Snip those extra pieces off, and there you go. You now have one solid strand of yarn.